Hello, this is Brian from Geopath, and today we'll be talking about the different audiences available in the Insight Suite. Within the Geopath Insight Suite, there are currently hundreds of different audiences that can be used to evaluate different pieces of inventory. In the population category, you'll find some standard demographics such as age, ethnicity, gender, race, and household income. The audiences in this category can be combined. For example, if I were to select persons 18 to 34, any of the audiences that appear above my selection can be combined with what I've already chosen. So from here, I could combine this 18 to 34 with any of the other audiences listed here or here. Once you've made your selections, you'll notice you have an Apply and a Save Audience button. The Save Audience button can be very helpful if this is an audience target you'll be revisiting in the future. Next, beyond this population category, we have Consumer Profiles. The Consumer Profiles category generally contains behaviors and spending habits, and can be explored through various different categories. I also recommend doing a search here for different keywords to see what comes up. For example, if we were to look up sports, you can see a variety of different audience behaviors that come back here. The final category available is the Prism Premier segments. Prism Premier is Claritas's segmentation product. Within this category, every single household in the US is split up into one of 68 different segments, listed here. The Prism Premier segments are a really great way to find more complex audience targets beyond a single behavior or a single demographic. The households in each segment are grouped together by similar behaviors and demographics, as well as different lifestyle segments. For example, the Prism Premier segments can be great for targeting specific life stages, such as retired with kids, young professionals without kids, and more. There are a few places that you can find more information on the specific segments here. Within the Insight Suite itself, in the bottom left corner, there's a support button. After clicking Submit Feedback, you'll be brought to a window where you can search through our support site or contact us from directly within the tool. Here, I can search for domestic duos. For each Prism Premier segment, there's a short write-up available here. If you click the button to link out to our support site, you'll be brought to the page for that specific segment and be able to explore all of the other different Prism segments as well.